Hey guys, so today we are still multiplying decimals by whole numbers. Our decimals are going to get a little bit longer, so it's going to take some multiplication skills to solve these. So this is just like after you take your decimal out, you just multiply like normal. And we've been practicing that in class, and we've been practicing that remotely. But let's just go ahead and go over a few problems. So sometimes they'll already have it stacked for you. Like in this case, we have 6 and 32 hundredths multiplied by the whole number 3. So we have to remember our steps. So our first step in multiplying decimals is to take out the decimal. So I'm going to just get rid of that decimal, take it out. So I'm going to rewrite it over here just so we know where our decimal was. So we're just going to do 632 times 3. So what we do, we're going to multiply all these numbers by this number. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 6, 12, 18. I don't have anywhere to carry that one, so I'll write it the whole number down here. So I have 1,896. We know that 6 and 32 hundredths times 3 is not 1,896. What we have to do is count how many digits are to the right of our decimal and add those in. So I've got 1. I want you guys to get in the habit of circling all of your numbers to the right of your decimal. And I've got 2. So that means I'm starting here because there's an invisible decimal here. Because if we have 1,896, it's really 0.0. We don't write it like that every time. So I'm going to move it in twice. 1, 2. So I've got 18 decimal 96, and you would say this like 18 and 96 hundredths. So that would be our answer. So let's go ahead and go over another one. Let me pick one that's kind of longer. Well, how about this one? All right, so we've got 5 times 23 and 66 hundredths. So if they give it to you without it stacked, I want you guys to know that you do need to stack it and use the standard algorithm of multiplication. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So if they just give it to you like this, you know that your bigger number has to go on top. So that one would be 23 and 66 hundredths times 5. So what we're going to do, take that decimal out. So I'm just going to rewrite it over here so we can still see where our decimal is. And we're going to multiply like usual. 5 times 6 is 30. My 0 goes here. I carry my 3 up here. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 3 is 33. So 1 3 goes here. I carry the other 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. My 8 goes here. I carry my 1 over here. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1, don't have anywhere else to carry, is 11. So I got 11,830. We have to put our decimal back in, so I need to count how many digits I have to the right of this decimal. I've got 1 and 2. So my decimal is here. I'm going to bring it in. 1 and 2. Rewrite it down here. 118.30. You can write it like this or this. So we've got 118 and 30 hundredths, or you can write it as 118 and 3 tenths. Okay, so you just need to remember those steps, and it will be pretty easy selling. So you guys are going to do page 249, 2 through 16. Some of them are already stacked for you, and some of them are not. So you'll probably need an extra piece of paper to work these out. All right, y'all let me know if you have any sort of questions or need any help. All right, thank you. Bye.